The clip-on is another drink inspired by one of our very popular drinks, which is called the bow tie. So the clip-on is a riff on the bow tie. Bow tie is a very simple drink using gin and blood orange puree and fresh mint. Very simple, very spring, summer cocktail. So we decided to use a spirit alternative. We're really proud of that one as well.
We're gonna start off with 6 to 8 mint leaves. No need to muddle, they're gonna be broken up when we do the shaking. We're going to start with 2 ounces of our gin alternative, which is Sea Arch. Put that in. They're gonna do 1 ounce of our blood orange juice. We're then going to do 3/4 an ounce of lime, always fresh. 1/2 ounce agave. And then we're going to do 1 dasher full of our non-alcoholic orange bitters. We're gonna add ice. We're gonna shake. We're going to strain. And we're gonna finish it up by garnishing with a mint leaf, the clip-on.